There's the lovely girls, massage girls at the front here. Just to come. Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
How
Good.
are you?
Good. Good. Good.
Where you come from?
In place actually. Wow, look at these. Beautiful. Say hello. You have the Bali love. You'll only be able to go to the doorway. So there it is, Jackson Lilies. These handbags here, the Louis Vuitton ones. Wow. Super busy inside of there. See ya. Wow, look at that. That's the inside of the Goat Central. My boo-boo. Very nice. So beautiful. Big shop selling a nice collection of training shoes. Mixed jewellery. Very nice pieces there. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone 7 p.m. I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along the section of the street of Jalan Raya Seminyak. So in a previous video released not too long ago, I walked along the section of the street of Jalan Raya Seminyak, my starting point being Bintang supermarket, and I walked all the way through to where the street of Jalan Raya Seminyak meets the street of Jalan Champlung Tanduk. In tonight's video, I'm going to be picking up from the street of Jalan Champlung Tanduk, and I'm going to be walking all the way through to the end of Jalan Raya Seminyak to where it meets the street of Jalan Basangkasa. Now, there's no hotel accommodation options, I don't think, along this section of street. It's going to be featured in tonight's video. However, there is lots of tourist goods shopping, lots of boutique shops, massage and spa, tattoo studios. So I'm just going to gradually walk along the street and take it in everything along the way. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll here in Seminyak. Okay, so here's where I finished my last video along Jalan Raya Seminyak, the street of Jalan Champlung Tanduk, very popular tourist street. I'm at the crossroads section now. We have the Goat Central across the street there. We try and walk across here. Just walking through the traffic. On this side we have a Made in Bali shop. Some white clothes there at Made in Bali. All $3.99. All the shirts, dresses, everything in there is $3.99. Across the road we have the Goat Central. I've featured this just in a video. Just going to take you to the doorway just to see if we can see inside. That's the inside of the Goat Central. Okay, just back across the street from the Goat Central now we have Havanias. This is for your sandals, 149k off it says there. Cherry Red this place is called. Very, very unique looking shop this. Oh la la, will you look at some of this stuff? I think that's Betty Boo, no? Very funky stuff there. My boo-boo. Very nice clothes and stuff in there, very unique. Wow, handbag that. Some nice looking shoes as well there, all unique stuff. Just continue on along the street. Have a slushy island here. This has all the slushy drinks here in the back. Hello, how are you? There's all the drinks there. Say hello. Okay, so there's a shops Made in Bali, Havanias, Cherry Red, Slushy Island, very unique entrance into Slushy Island. And then I've just come across on this side of the street because we have a big shop selling a nice collection of training shoes. Lots of different types available in here. Nike, Adidas, have kids sizes as well. Some of the women's Dior sandals there, lots of handbags, lots of t-shirts I see inside there. Coach, mini bag. And we're just going to cut back across the street. We have a contemporary jewellery shop. We're just cutting back across the street. This is a place called Riva Contemporary Jewels. Some very, very nice looking stuff inside of here. Rings, necklaces, bracelets. Some nice looking stuff in there. Wow, nice. It's a very nice bracelet there. We'll continue on along the street. So we have a Milk and Madhu coming there. It's a fabulous restaurant that. It's just under construction now. Very big construction actually. Have a PMV money changer. Let's go across and take a look at the exchange rates on the board today. Okay, so just across on the other side of the street, here's the PMV money changer. It is an authorised money changer this. Here's the exchange rates on the board. Be safe changing your money here. Lots of tourist goods shops across the street there. Have a mini mart convenience store on this side of the street. Some massage girls here as well. Gaia, this is called. A ladies' boutique style clothing shop. Some nice stuff in there. Oh, it's men's clothing as well. Very, very nice. We'll cut back across the street here. Another ladies' boutique clothing shop here. Wow, crazy with this traffic. Some nice ladies' dresses there. Some more nice jewellery next door again. This is more like a gold style colour this. Mixed jewellery. Very nice pieces there. Wow, beautiful. Just carrying on, we have another shop here selling all of the sandals and handbags. Lots of different stuff there. How are you, brother? Yeah! Have another restaurant here. Nice looking place this. It's Cafeteria, this is called. Seating area inside there. Counter here. Just continue walking along the street. Some tourist goods shops and things across on the other side of the street. Kapalua, another jewellery shop here. It's hard to know which side of the street to do. Some cocktails there at Cafeteria. 80k. Very nice little unique seating areas down the side. More tourist goods shopping here. Some of the hats, sandals, McDonald's, KFC. We'll cut across on the other side because we have some nice ladies' boutique. This is a place called Seminyak Bali here. This is like a Blackie type theme shop, this one. Some nice stuff inside of there. Have Alma Croquette jewels here. Some nice ladies' boutique style clothing in there as well. And we're going to head back across the street and pick up some of the shops across the street here. Okay, just coming across the street now, we have a place called Summer Bell Collective. Nice ladies, kids clothing and stuff in there. Oh, we have a massage spa here. Little Foot Body Massage and Nails. Hello, how are you? There's the lovely girls, massage girls at the front here. Do you have the Bali love? Yeah. Next we have Blink by Kapalua. Oh, we'll just give you the prices here of the massage treatments available. It's on the board there. Lovely, smiley, happy massage girls at the front there. And then this is Blink by Kapalua. Very popular jewellery shop this. Really, really nice stuff. Necklaces, earrings, rings. Lots of nice looking stuff in there. Wow, some really nice stuff in there. Nice. So we have another jewellery shop there as well. Alma Croquet, that's called. So we have Selfie Bong, Ginger Snap there, what we took you in. And then here we have another restaurant. We'll put across the street to the restaurant, just give you a view of the street that we're going to be walking along. Super Bowl bundle here. Not sure what this is called. Oh, it's called. There's the name up above there. Can go inside, yeah?
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
Just take a look inside here. It's a very nice looking place actually. Wow, look at these. Beautiful decoration on the wall. Nice seating areas. There's a counter area. The place is called Sahasa Coffee and Eatery. Just keep walking along the street here. So you have lots of Shops on both sides, Seminyak Bali, in factory there, tattoo studio. A shop here. Wow, not sure whether they're shorts or boxer shorts, very, very unique, whatever they are. Some more ladies' handbags here, the Louis Vuitton ones. Wow, not sure about that one. Some very, very nice ones here. Nice. Wow, all of those. Big, big collection of the bags inside the shop there. Louis Vuitton again, one on there. Ladies and kids clothing again here. Wow, look at this. Some beautiful sandals here. Merry collection. Wow, will you look at these? So beautiful. Nice. Wholesale and retail. So we have the ink factory tattoo studio, Seminyak Bali. It's quite a unique looking shop, the Seminyak Bali, but we're going to continue on. We have Toursit spa here, with a massage spa in the back. Hello, how are you? Hello, hello. Massage girls and boys here at the front of Toursit store. Have another tattoo studio here. Just across the street there we have Maids Warung Kiana Salon. So this is Kiana Salon, and Maids Warung runs all the way along the side of the street there. It's a very big place, Maids Warung. Just take you and show you. I'm not sure where this is located. Maybe it's in the back here. It's maybe part of Maids Warung. There's a little section down there. There's an entrance into Maids Warung there. Maids Warung, so they have some kind of Balinese dance or something. All Balinese dance every Saturday, start 7:30 p.m. Some of the treatments there at the spa. And just keep walking along the street. So we have an Indian restaurant across the street there, Kalish Parabat, pure vegetarian restaurant. Okay, so just across the street from Maids Warung now, serving since 1969, it says on the sign there, and we're on the side with the Indian restaurant. Just take you to the entrance here just to show you the seating areas. Seating areas here, not busy but nice, very nice seating areas. Some overlooking the street. Okay, just coming out of the Indian restaurant now. A mini mart convenience store here, Guardian Pharmacy, on the motorbike. Maids Warung are a little bit funny about going in there with the video, so I won't go in there. Very popular place though, that. Maybe I'll do it one day for food. Have an Alpha Mart convenience store here. The organic spa here. Facial organic, 10% off. It's located just in the back there. Some people are actually having the massage, you see. Well, it's quite a few customers in there. The gelato place just across the street there. There's the spa as well, the organic spa. And we're going to head across the street and turn back. We have like a gelato ice cream place here. Chulola Jeweler. Wow, some very nice looking jewellery inside of there. Nice sign. And then just across the street there we have the Queen Tandoori. Just coming across to the Queen's Tandoori, we do have copyright music, but I just want to show you to the doors. Super busy inside of there. Wow, must be a very popular Indian restaurant. I can't see many Western tourists in there. Queen Tandoori, or Queen's Tandoori. Collection of ATM machines there. If you need to get some money for spending on your shopping or your food. Here we have Jackson Lily, very big restaurant this. So there's the name, Queen Tandoori. more tourist goods shops. Yes, we're open. Some nice funky looking t-shirts here. Wow, look at that. So beautiful designs these. All items 150k. Lots of unique stuff in here. Some ladies bikinis also. How are you, brother? Good, good. We have Bulgari Ink Tattoo Studio just next year. Yeah, just next door. Some customers. How are you guys? You good, yeah? Bulgaria Ink, yeah?
Yes.
Bulgaria Ink, Seminyak.
How are
He
you?
wants us to come. Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good,
How
good.
are you?
Good, good, good.
Where you come from?
I'm from England, but I stay in Bali.
Oh, how long you stay in Bali?
13 years.
13 years.
13 years.
Oh my God. You
Tiga
long
Blas,
time,
yeah?
Tiga Blas now.
Yeah.
YouTuber or?
Yes, yes. I'm recording now. No, we're not going inside because you have customers, yeah? No, you have customers. It's okay, yeah?
Yes, okay. And you take the shower. You come inside, please.
Okay, so there is somebody inside. Here's the name, Bulgari Ink. There is somebody inside. I've just asked the permission. They're okay with filming. It's the inside. Hello? Just having some work done now. Okay, so just next door to Bulgari Ink, we have a nice collection of tourist goods shops here. All your sports shirts and things here, tropical shirts, sunglasses, hats, caps, perfumes, handbags, many things here. All in here. Some very nice home decor goods there, the horses. Nice collection of the sandals as well here, all the different sandals. Some nice hats as well, straw hats, Vietnam hats. The collection there, and then now we're going to head. So we have the Shiv Sagara. This is a pure Indian restaurant here, and then we're just going to head across to Jackson Lily. She's usually very busy and popular, this restaurant, and you'll only be able to go to the doorway. So there it is, Jackson Lily's super busy inside there. How are you, brother? It's very busy in the inside the restaurant there. Many customers. Beautiful restaurant. There's nice. So just coming out of Jackson Lily's is some of the food available. Can't really see it because of the lights, too bright, and the camera settings. Some of the different things here. And then we have Shiv Sagara here. This is the pure veg Indian restaurant. Some of the things on the menu here. Some customers inside there. Wow, there's actually quite a few customers inside there. Have a upstairs seating area as well in there. Nice. And just from our Indian restaurant there, now we're back on the other side of the street. More tourist goods shops here. This one's got a lot of sports shirts, hats and caps. We have the Glow Spa here. Very good prices these. How are you? Say hello. You have the Bali love. There's another one there. How are you? Lots of tourist goods. She say you never had to take the photo, have to pay. Tourist goods here again, and then here it's just on the pavement here. And then this is where we're going to end tonight's video. This is the start of the street of Jalan Raya now, and that's the finish of Jalan Raya Seminyak. Okay, so that concludes tonight's video. My street stroll here in Seminyak along a section of the street of Jalan Raya Seminyak. So as you saw with the camera in tonight's video, great collection of tourist goods shops in this area. Lots of boutique style shops also, jewellery shops, massage and spa, tattoo studios, some restaurants mixed into the equation also. All in all, just a really great and very popular tourist street here in the Seminyak area of Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and maybe want to give this section of Jalan Raya Seminyak a visit during your holiday stay here in Bali. And I shall say bye for now.